Welcome to RENet Sheets, your go-to app for calculating real estate costs. In this quick tour, I'll show you how the app empowers real estate professionals like you. Let's dive in. In this video, you will learn how to use the app in just 5 simple steps. This is the main menu. Here you have access to all the functions of the RENet Sheets app. One, start with our tutorial section, designed to guide you through every feature. From calculating proceeds to customizing reports, it's all covered here to ensure you hit the ground running. 2. Next, the seller and buyer sections give you precise cost breakdowns for transactions. Calculate seller net proceeds or evaluate buyer closing costs instantly. 3. The marketing section offers informational flyers that realtors can share with their clients and ready-to-use marketing images for social media. These tools help you save time and enhance your marketing efforts, keeping your focus on closing deals. Four, our Save Calculators feature lets you store and revisit past calculations, saving you time and keeping you organized. 5. Finally, don't forget to set up your profile. Add your branding details, and let your report speak for your expertise. Here you can easily configure agent fees and commissions to reflect your specific business model. Tailor every estimate for accuracy. Visit our YouTube channel, where you'll find detailed tutorials covering every aspect of the app. These videos are designed to guide you step by step, helping you make the most of RENet Sheets' powerful features. RENet Sheets. Growth, connection, and simplicity in the palm of your hands.